Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I'm going to show you a very exciting technology which is called as Docker. As you all know, DevOps is booming in the market right now, and it is very important for infrastructure engineers or all the IT engineers who is working in this related domain should be aware of what is Docker, what are the containers, and the related technologies. So in this video, I'm going to show you the installation part of Docker and the Docker Compose, right? So I have made certain notes. We will follow the same notes during this tutorial, but let's first spin up one of the instance on Amazon. So I'm going to take a free tier server, Ubuntu server, for this particular tutorial. I will take Ubuntu, Red Hat, Ubuntu. I'm not able to find out Ubuntu here. Okay, so let's select this instance, Ubuntu instance. Make sure we are selecting T2 micro, which is free tier eligible. Do not select any other instance or you'll be charged heavily if you're using it continuously. And also make sure that before you are logging out of Amazon console, just shut down your instances or terminate or stop the instances, right? So I'm not going to customize anything in this instance. Let us review and launch it directly. Launch. I have the key pair already, so I'm going to use existing key pair. Our instance is getting launched now. So by the way, if you are uh, creating the new instance and wants to connect with Putty, we already have one video on that. You can just have a look at it on the same channel. Let us get back. Our instance should be coming up any moment. Okay, so our instance is up now. Let's give it a proper name, saying Docker. Just save it. Click on the instance ID, and we have the public IP available. Let's get that public IP and open Putty. Paste the IP address in Putty and provide the key pair you have. And just say connect. Say accept to this message, and remember, for any Ubuntu server on EC2, the default username is Ubuntu. So log in as Ubuntu and hit enter. We will get inside the server. Now let's see, who am I? Ubuntu. So first and foremost things, we will need to update some libraries and the packages on this Ubuntu system. So let's update the packages one by one quickly. These are the dependencies being installed right now. So let's go to the next command. I'm going to give all these commands that I'm using into the description. So make sure you have a look at the description after you watch the video, after you complete watching the video. Then import the repositories and the keys from the system. Says okay. Adding the Docker apt repository on the Linux system. I have made sure I collect all the commands before making this video. So the video is short and crisp. Now, after after installing all the libraries, packages, all the dependencies, we came to this particular position where we can actually install Docker. Let's install Docker. Sudo apt install docker-ce. This is going to install Docker. Say yes to it. Pretty much faster. I'm using the closest EC2 instance to my location, which is Mumbai. If you are in US, you need to select the closest EC2 instance in your region. Same for Africa, same for Europe. Okay, so looks like we are done with the installation of Docker. We can verify the same using this systemctl status docker command. Let's get back to EC2 and hit the system. And yeah, it says the Docker is active and running, right? We can also verify using this simple hello world container command. When the hello world is not found locally, it is downloading the same and then it will run it. So now we can check. We have the hello world image downloaded on the system. That means our Docker is installed properly and is ready to run.